comes with 6 extra batteries. As you can see here, batteries are 6, and it also comes with 3 keys. Yeah, and don't forget, the battery lasts for at least 7 months. The padlock is not heavy. It looks heavy, but it's not heavy. Yeah, so to activate the alarm, you first have to open it, because it comes in 2 stages. First, this stage, if you just put it, it's an ordinary padlock. You can see no sound, nothing. But if you open it and then bring it out again, turn it and put it back, you can hear the sound, right? Yeah, now it is an alarm lock. So if you hit it once, you hear that sound, it will stop. And if you try it again, the sound will come back and it will never stop unless you use the key to open it. Then the sound will stop.